Good. Who is it? It's Katie. Katie. Jai. Jada. Whatever your name is. Come in, Katie. Oh, you. You're such a hoot, darling. Why don't you sit down, Katie? Do you mind if I put my stuff down? It's so great. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's right, Katie. Sit down, Katie. Oh, I forgot I had to get my phone. Come on. I'm back. Yes, you. Sam. You. Oh, you. You. I said you. I said you. I said you. I spent all my time doing my hair. I spent 2 hours doing my hair. You made dang! Who spends 2 hours doing their hair? That's not normal. Obviously, you don't know. So oh yeah, I lived it. Oh really? Yeah, it looks like a rat just came into your hair. You can leave. Fine, I will. That's right, forget you. You know what? I hate you a lot, but that's right, leave, leave, no, leave. What? Better leave. Okay. You're back? What's this? My stuff. That's right, I didn't want your Raggedy Ann book back in my house. That's right. That's right. Bye. What? Bye. What? That's good.